Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a finance exam step by step. First, thoroughly review your syllabus to understand the exam structure and what topics carry the most weight. Next, collect all your textbooks, notes, and any supplementary online resources. Finally, develop a detailed study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject area. This structured approach will help you manage your time effectively and cover all essential material. When studying, prioritize understanding the underlying financial concepts rather than rote memorization. Finance often involves applying principles, so practice solving a wide range of problems to solidify your knowledge. Incorporate active recall techniques, such as creating flashcards for key terms or quizzing yourself on formulas. This helps reinforce learning and identifies areas needing more attention, making your study sessions more productive. Regularly working through past exams or sample questions is crucial for success. Don't just solve them. Meticulously review any incorrect answers to understand where you went wrong and why. Explaining complex financial topics aloud, perhaps to a study partner or even to yourself, can significantly deepen your understanding. This process helps you articulate concepts clearly and identify any gaps in your knowledge before the actual exam. On exam day, ensure you get sufficient rest and eat a nutritious meal to keep your mind sharp. During the exam, read each question carefully and manage your time effectively, allocating appropriate minutes per question. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Remember, consistent effort and smart study habits are key to achieving your best results in finance. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.